Hey, what's going on, guys? Robbie again here with Chrome Exteriors. We're out at another install today. I decided to come over here and hang out with my boys and find out what was going on. Actually, this is a really cool customer of mine. I was introduced to them a little over a year ago, and to be honest with you, there's companies out there in this market that are doing the same thing that I'm doing, but unfortunately they do it wrong. And if it wasn't for me, my experience and my company's experience and the people that I have along the path of this business, the relationship I have with the individuals that are not only my suppliers but also my vendors and manufacturers of what I use and what I push, that my customer gets the best, manufacturer's warranty and the best customer service from what they can offer. I'm only going to give you and sell you and provide you the best product for what are you going to inherit after you get that product put onto your home or property. I want you to be able to get the best product, and it's not that expensive. And to be honest with you, it's pretty ridiculous that other competitors are out there pushing the same product, and there's a lot to go with that product. They're giving the customer a warranty, but they're not installing the product correctly. So unfortunately, it sucks for the family that now we've made better, but we have an awesome couple that I was introduced to. Actually met them at a local restaurant with my family. We get to talk, and he said, "Hey, I want you to look at my house. I need to get some stuff done. I need soffit work done. Do you do that stuff? Do you do siding?" I said, "Absolutely. We do it all. We're certified." When I mean certified, doesn't mean that we have licensing. No, we are certified. We've got everything. My crews are certified. They're us. They're with me. They're contractors, but they are certified through my program. They are certified and written off by my vendors, by my manufacturers. They install the way it's supposed to be installed. So let's get to it. So I have my customer here. I'm going to go ahead and flip this camera. It is beautiful property out here in Clarksburg. Beautiful farm. Look at this. It's amazing. Look at that big old mansion. Everyone probably, if anyone's local here in Montgomery County, knows where that is. But anywho, this customer here had a company, I'm not going to mention their name, had come out and installed siding for this customer and did a roof for this customer at their main house. What happened was it was installed improper. And when I came out here just to look at soffits, I realized that there's a lot of information about this project that were done incorrectly. I brought it up to the supplier. I'm sorry, not the supplier. I brought it up to the manufacturer of the product. I reached out to them. I've built a relationship with these guys. So I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible just so you understand what's going on. You can have all the marketing you want. You can do everything you want to do. But at the end of the day, stand behind what you are selling. Make sure, guys, if you're out there looking for something, home improvement to be done to your home, that it's getting done proper. Do your research. If I can help you, call me. I don't care if you don't even use me. Just make sure that you're getting the proper service. You're getting the correct information. You're getting the right product. So let me switch this back. The customer, yes, has new siding. I put that siding on. Roof, same thing. Problem was they put this vertical siding on the house. Before the house was done through insurance, and the customer wanted vertical siding. The company didn't offer them or upcharge them in a way the homeowner kind of won, but they didn't win because it's a vertical siding, meaning the siding's installed this way. It started from the left to right, is installed this way. It's not like your traditional siding that is started at the bottom and works your way up. So there's your framing. Everything to do with elements of building 101 is behind that siding. So with the vertical siding, they were missing 18 on center, 24 on center, 36 on center. On certain areas, parts of the siding was not getting It wasn't installed properly. I pointed it out, and here, this is where it gets good. I reached out to my people at Certainty. Certainty said, Robbie, we know you, we trust you, we stand behind your work because you do everything by the book. So we are going to go ahead and provide you with all the material to redo the customer's home. It was a huge, awesome upgrade. They also paid for the labor. They also paid for the trash removal. They said, just take care of it because we stand behind our product and we want our product installed properly. And I said, no problem. Also, we added additional things. We added some metal work. We installed all this bay window capping. Homeowner left it up to me to say, Robbie, you know, can you give me some type of architectural design to kind of go with the flow of the siding? So it's got white corners. I had told my guys, this is all done in metal. There is no wood behind here. There's wood behind here, but this is all done in metal. My guys capped everything. They made the metal on site. Did a magnificent job. Did a beautiful job. We did all metal capping. We installed soffit. Homeowner decided, they were like, well, we want to paint. I said, why paint? Let's just go vinyl. So we installed soffit and all this all the way around the customer's house. Up and down, left and right, everywhere. We capped all the windows. We recapped everything in the metal. Moving along over to the backyard. Well, here's side yard. We got all our new soffit. This is all vinyl soffit. This is all metal capping. We did all of our bird boxes. Everything's done in metal capping. Everything in the backyard. Their pool's not open yet, but soon will be. Oh, that's right. We're also putting a roof on over here. So everything done is back. There's their back window. So everything looks beautiful. Everything turned out great. We did gutter work out here. We got gutters installed for the customer. So, guys, just be careful on what you're doing. Make sure that you follow and you do your research. Don't look for the biggest company out there. Don't, look for somebody that cares about their customers. I just got this roof purchased by their insurance company. Again, they had a windstorm. Take it to your advantage, guys. You guys pay for insurance for a reason. Use that money wisely. Don't go buy a new car because you'll catch up to you and you'll get in trouble. So, again, this project was purchased and bought by the insurance company. We were able to get it bought. There was a windstorm damage that blew half the roof off the rear of the house on both of these barns here for the horses. This is Yellowstone. Sorry about my mess here. The cleanup guy's on the other side right now. But get a bunch of finished work for this customer. They don't play around. We don't play around. We do everything by the book. We do all matter detail to the book. We go up and beyond and above everything. I handle warranties. I handle it all. Obviously, they're doing their job. So guys, again, make sure you do your research. Just because they want to sell you something and push it through insurance, make sure it's correct. Make sure it's right. Make sure they're not getting over on anybody. We got a new window going in here soon. And he wants to also replace these two as well. So, yeah, guys, just pay attention. Make sure that you guys are getting everything. Just watch what you're doing. Watch who you're working with. Again, I don't want to name the companies out there that are not. These sales guys don't know anything. They come knocking on your door and they say, hey, we can get your roof bought for you through the insurance company. Ask that guy, that canvasser, the guy that knocks on the door. Ask him, how many bundles are in a square? How many sticks of how many linear feet is drip edge? Ask him, how many boxes of siding do I need to equal one square? Ask stupid questions. The funny part is they're not going to know the answer. Why? Because they're uneducated. They don't know what they're selling. Follow up with the people you're working with. I have people behind me that will back me. If I don't know the answer, which is not, whatever, I have someone that can help me with that and answer that for me. So, just make sure you guys are protected. don't go with a company just because, you know, they're trying to offer you something or give you something or whatever. Just make sure you're getting what it's worth. Again, I can help you in any way, shape, or form. I don't care. I don't care if you do work with me. If you have a product question, if I can't figure out the answer, I'm going to send you to the person that's going to give you the answer. And it's going to be a supplier. It's going to be a manufacturer. You know, I go with people that know the business, that understand life and where this product comes from. You know, if someone came to me right now and said, Robbie, I need a floor guy. I need a guy to put down epoxy flooring in my garage or my business. I want a beautiful mural. I'm going to say you got to talk to Magic Mike down in Florida. You got to holler at your boy Reese. That dude is a professional. He knows the product inside and out. Yeah, he may be in Florida. It may cost you some money to get him up here to Maryland. But at the end of the day, the guy knows his product. He knows the preparation, the steps that you need to do to fulfill the job. Same thing here. We follow the rules. We sit on the projects. We project manage every one of our jobs. If my guys have a question, if they have an issue, they come to me. Just please follow up with who you're working with and who's doing the job. Ask the important questions. And then get your warranty. Make sure you're getting your warranty card. Make sure you have the installer show you everything so that you are protected. This is the most important thing. Your money is worth a lot. Use it to your benefit. So like I said, if you want floors, talk to Magic Mike in Florida. Reese is the man when it comes to that. I'd use him for what I want, but I can't get him to get up here. The man's so busy. But that's what I'm just trying to get out point-wise. There's a lot of friends in my network that I grew up with that every one of us have our own niche and we have our own business and we do our own thing and we all work together in some way, shape, or form. But at the end of the day, just make sure that you're protected. Make sure that you're getting what you're paying for. Either it's retail or it's through insurance. Don't be scared to use your insurance. You pay for it for a reason. If it's a legitimate claim, follow through with it and handle it. Don't let anyone tell you that you should not use your insurance. What's it for? It's for a reason. You got to have insurance. Use your insurance money. What is the problem? So, again, if there's anything you guys need, if you need my help, if you want to be part of the Chrome Exteriors experience, give me a call. Look up my website, www.chromeexteriors.com, and let me help you. That's all I'm saying. If you need help, you have a question, just call me. I don't care. So, subscribe, like, thumbs up, whatever. But, love you guys. Have a great, wonderful Easter weekend coming up. We out.